Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at another Nomadik box. So if you're interested in the May 2024 Nomadik box, stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Please take that first step, click subscribe. All right, so we've got the May 2024 Nomadik box to open up for you. So if you're unfamiliar with Nomadik, this is a subscription box. It comes in once per month, for however many months you choose to subscribe. And they have an ironclad guarantee, meaning we open this box, something's broken, damaged, already have one, reach out to Nomadik, and I can get a new item, replacement item. I signed up for 6 months. After that 6 months, they started sending me boxes to open and unbox for you guys. So let's get into the May 2024 Nomadik box. What are we going to use? I'm going to use the Kershaw Shuffle. I did a review of this knife. I'll put a card up top. You can go check it out. So let's see what we have this month. There's some months that are really good, and there's some months that are so-so. According to Nomadik, each box, monthly box, has a value of right around $50. So let's see if this one meets that. Oh, hey, are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. Make sure nothing falls out. So we've got a pamphlet. Every month, every box, you get a pamphlet that is themed. This is survival safety. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this box. We have our sticker here, if it'll focus. And each pamphlet has Nomadik tips as it relates to the theme and a challenge where you can enter to win free gear. So let's keep that kind of handy in case we need it. So I already see a big item in here, so let's get it out. So big item. A water bottle, stainless steel water bottle from Mizu, M-I-Z-U. Nothing fancy other than it is a stainless steel water bottle, BPA free. Let's see if the pamphlet tells us how big this bottle is. 25-ounce bottle, Mizu M8. Durable water bottle designed for on-the-go hydration. 800 milliliter capacity, leak-proof lid. And there you go. So pretty awesome. That is one thing that I don't have, is a stainless steel water bottle like that. They come in handy for survival situations because you can actually boil water in this. So there's that. Bug Soother Balm with lemongrass oil. We've got a couple of these little tubes. They work amazing, especially with kids, for bug bites, rashes, that kind of thing. Rub it on like chapstick on the spot. Works really, really good. So this is bug soothing. Repels insects, mosquitoes, and black flies and gnats. That smells great and that bugs hate. So there's that. What else do we have this month? We've got a survival frog paracord bracelet. Got the compass, a ferro rod, a striker. So it's got all the works, and it looks like it has some stuff inside that bracelet. We will definitely check this out. So yes, from Survival Frog. We've gotten some other things from Survival Frog, and they're always really, really good. Aqua Tabs. So water purification tablets come in this waterproof plastic bag here. Looks like there's 5 strips, it says, times 10 tablets. So got a good bit of tablets there. What else do we have? And we have a hydration pack. Always get these in. They come in handy. I love them, especially during the summertime. Having one of those handy or readily available in this heat that we have here in Georgia and humidity, it's really good to have an electrolyte or hydration pack mix readily available to make sure that you stay hydrated and don't get too hot. Well, is it worth $50? I don't know. Again, I don't have one of these, so I couldn't tell you what the price range is on one of these. I try. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I try to get prices and put them in the description to give you guys an idea. That's what I will try to do in this one. But we've got survival safety. So we've got bug repellent, we've got water purification, we've got hydration mix, we've got a stainless steel water bottle, and a survival paracord bracelet that includes a bunch of stuff. It's got everything. It looks like it says it's got sinkers, lures, a whistle, fire starter, fishing hooks, tinder, all kind of stuff in here. So we're going to check that out and go a little deeper on that particular item. So hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Drop it in the comments. Have you ever subscribed to Nomadik? What was your favorite piece of gear that you received? If you haven't subscribed, let me know in the comments why. What's holding you back? So there you go. I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.